Hey guys, here I am at one of my job sites. This is actually an ADU that we built. It's actually quite a large ADU. They added a garage, 2,000 square foot, 3-car garage to the ADU on a separate permit. It worked out pretty well. Today I want to talk about stucco. I've got BMG Lath and Plaster. They're working with us today, getting all this stucco on. You see the guys up there? Now, you see the stucco going on. Now, what I wanted to show you is this undercoat here. Okay, this undercoat that you see here is a mesh and a fiberglass reinforced anti-fracture coat prior to this coat that is going on here. And what is going on here is actually a synthetic stucco. Here's Dante. He is the owner of BMG Plaster. You can see how he's working it with that special trowel, actually made of plastic. And this is the first coat, and then they do one final coat over all of this. The nice thing about this synthetic stucco, otherwise known as, is this also called acrylic stucco, Dante?
Huh?
Is it acrylic stucco also, or is it just synthetic?
Acrylic.
It's acrylic. It's also known as acrylic stucco. And the nice thing about it is it's really easy to wash. It lasts, it's very durable. And can you tell me about that undercoat, Dante?
We use level leg and stave for the first coat.
Oh, okay, so it's called Level X.
Yeah,
Level X mesh coat, right?
Yeah, well, stave.
What kind of base?
Stave.
CI base?
Yeah.
So CI base with a Level X mesh coat. Now, the color, the client picked a custom color, and they actually make it at the factory. So any Sherwin-Williams color that a client may pick can be made at the La Abra factory, where they mix it in these buckets and then we put it on. So that really allows for a lot of customization. Really like the Level X and mesh that is that base coat. You can actually see the mesh underneath there. See that mesh? That really makes for a really good stucco job. And anti-fracture is huge in doing stucco. Just wanted to show that brief video to you, and we'll take a look at the finished product once it's done.